Do you love soft and fluffy cake that melts in your mouth? Today, I will show you how to make the wonderful Japanese chocolate cake with easy and quick steps. The ingredients we need: 200 grams of dark chocolate, 70 grams of unsalted butter, 5 eggs, 50 grams of sugar, 70 grams of flour, a pinch of salt. We start by melting the chocolate with the butter in a water bath or in the microwave. Make sure to stir it well until it becomes smooth and homogeneous. In another bowl, we whisk the eggs with the sugar until the mixture becomes creamy and fluffy. This is the secret behind the unique fluffiness of the cake. Now we add the melted chocolate to the egg mixture and gently stir. Then we gradually add the flour with a pinch of salt to achieve a smooth and homogeneous mixture. Pour the mixture into an 18-centimeter mold and place it in the oven at 160 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Do not open the oven while baking to maintain the fluffiness. After the cake cools, we can serve it directly or decorate it with a dusting of powdered sugar or a piece of chocolate on top. Enjoy this wonderful flavor. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more delicious cake recipes.